couple of players have not been performing so far in the season, and I'm here to give you solutions to them. One player who has so far not performed is Morgan Rogers. His team has not even scored a goal in the EPL. Aston Villa are yet to score a goal in the EPL, and Morgan Rogers. So a lot of people are transferring him out. Please, you can transfer him out and get for yourself Antoine Semenyo. Another player who he literally also blasted a penalty over the bar, and his team is actually also not performing, is Bruno Fernandes or Bruno Fernandes. You can actually also sub him or sell him and save some money, and then get the man Antoine Semenyo. And Ismail Assar, he was a purple patch. He actually got a couple of goal contributions for Crystal Palace, and you can also sell him and get Antoine Semenyo. So the transfers in for game week 5 so far, Semenyo is leading the pack. A lot of people are seeing the potential of Semenyo and bringing him in, and also Van de Ven, looking at the kind of matches he has got for himself to go, is also going to is being brought in a lot. Ireland brought Haaland after scoring 50 goals in less than 50 game appearances in the UCL. Is being brought in by a lot of people. McGahey, looking at the fixture list for Crystal Palace, is also being brought in. Mose Caicedo, Cole Palmer coming back from injury and scoring under 5 minutes. He's getting a lot of people bring him into their team. Joao Pedro, who should be in your team, people are also bringing him in. And Grealish, who has 4 assists in 4 games, is also being brought in by people. Julian Timber has good numbers, but most of those good numbers came in 1 game, so be very, very cautious when bringing him into your team there. So that's a lot happening inside the EPL. And also a couple of injury situations. Nori is out, so you can bring in Pedro Porro for Nori. Yes, and also more injury situations. Wan-Bissaka is out, so you can actually also bring in Pedro Porro for Wan-Bissaka in that regard. A lot happening on the FPL side of things, but we'll come back next week and then we'll just sum it up all for you. So go out there, make the substitutions. Tomorrow, early kickoff, hence the window for the FPL transfers close earlier. However, if you already have a couple of good players, you can allow it to run for this weekend. You can allow the weekend to run. If you've got good enough players in there who have got good fixtures this weekend. There are 3 very difficult games in the EPL this weekend. You can allow it to run. If you have any Wolverhampton player in your team, please, now is the time to sell, because Victor Pereira is still staying on as their coach for the foreseeable future. We want to see what they'll do first, but for now, you can let the Wolverhampton players all rest. And Aston Villa are also just struggling a bit, so you can let them also rest. So you can also let Oli Watkins go and get Joao Pedro. Let Oli Watkins go and get Joao Pedro. You can also actually let Oli Watkins go. You can get Nick Volteme or the man, yes, Isak. It's all variable for you there. So there are a lot of differentials. We'll bring them to you going forward next week. So a lot of injury situations. Transfers need to be done by 9 a.m. or you are stuck. But remember that if you don't want to even do any transfer, go into your team and then shuffle the pack. One secret, the first player with regards to your bench, anything happens to any player up in your team and does not play, the player on the bench, his points get added up to your team. So always have a player who is likely to feature for his team at the start of your bench, so that it's able for the system to automatically save and replace for you. It's that simple. Yeah, just a little key there. Yeah, so that's that as far as that is concerned with the FPL Clinic.